Which Mandoline slicer is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the real gems. Today, I'm laying out 5 options that can really make your kitchen prep a lot easier. Product number 1, Mueller Pro Series All-in-One. First up is the Mueller Pro Series All-in-One. Priced at $39.99, this Mandoline slicer caught my eye with its multi-purpose functionality and 12-blade options. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen tool that makes meal prep a breeze, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. It features grade 420 stainless steel blades, which means you can quickly slice, dice, julienne, or spiralize your veggies and fruits without the hassle. With 9 interchangeable blades, you can create colorful veggie pasta or perfectly chopped onions for salsa in no time. Plus, it comes with a food container to catch all your slices, making cleanup way easier. Users rave about its 4.5-star rating from over 6,400 reviews, and it's a bestseller for a reason. However, some users mention that it can be a bit tricky to clean thoroughly. Here's the thing though, if you have a dishwasher, it's pretty simple to rinse off and toss in there. For those who dread washing by hand, this might be a concern, but I think it's a trade-off for the convenience you get. This is perfect for you if you're a busy home cook needing a reliable tool for all your slicing needs. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact, since it does take up a bit of space. Now, if the cleaning issue with the Mueller bothered you, this next one takes a different approach. Product number 2, OXO Good Grips Handheld Slicer. Next, we have the OXO Good Grips Handheld Mandoline Slicer, priced at just $18.99. This one is compact and designed for easy use, which immediately caught my attention. If you want a straightforward option for quick slicing, this is definitely an option worth considering. What's great about this slicer is its adjustable thickness settings, 2.5 more form. You can easily slice everything from potatoes to cheese without feeling like you're juggling a giant machine. It also features a clever window, so you can see what you've sliced and avoid overdoing it. And with a 4.5-star rating from over 20,000 reviewers, it's clear that users appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness. Now, some users did mention that it's not as sturdy as larger models, which might make it feel less reliable. But honestly, if you're just looking for something to slice a few veggies quickly, it's perfectly adequate and easy to store away when you're done. This is perfect for you if you have limited counter space and want something intuitive. Skip this one if you need to slice large quantities at once, as it might take a bit longer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for safety and speed. Product number 3, Supmakin Safe Mandoline Slicer. Third on the list is the Supmakin Safe Mandoline Slicer, priced at $29.99. This one stands out with its focus on safety, which really caught my eye. If you're worried about cutting yourself while prepping meals, this could be the option for you. The standout feature here is the built-in blade design that keeps your fingers away from sharp edges, which is a major plus if you have kids around. It also lets you adjust the slice thickness from 0.1 to 8, so you can get everything from super thin potato chips to chunky vegetable pieces. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,200 reviews, it seems to be well received among home cooks. However, a few users pointed out that the handle can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing, it may not be as sturdy as some heavy-duty models, but if you're looking for ease of use and safety, I think it balances out well. This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety in the kitchen or have children helping out. Skip it if you're looking for something ultra-durable or heavy-duty, as it may not withstand heavy use over time. Next up, if you're intrigued by multifunctionality, wait until you see what the Full-Star Mandoline Slicer has to offer. Product number 4, Full-Star Mandoline Slicer. Coming in fourth is the Full-Star Mandoline Slicer, retailing at $26.99. This one immediately impressed me with its 6 interchangeable blades. If you want a versatile tool that can handle just about anything, this is definitely worth a look. This slicer has a built-in catch tray, which means less mess when you're prepping. With a whopping 4.5-star rating from over 38,100 reviewers, it's clear that this product delivers on its promises. One downside is that it might take up a bit more space than simpler models. Some users mentioned it feels bulky, which can be a concern if you have limited storage. But I think the functionality outweighs this if you're someone who likes to experiment in the kitchen. This is perfect for you if you enjoy cooking and want a tool that can do multiple tasks. Skip this if you're looking for something compact and easily storable. Lastly, if you're all about adjustable features, check out the Müller Austria Mandoline Slicer. Product number 5, Müller Austria Mandoline Slicer. Finally, we have the Müller Austria Mandoline Slicer, priced at $34.99. This one offers adjustable slicing and grating options that are hard to ignore. If you're looking for something that can handle a variety of foods, this might be your best bet. This slicer lets you change thickness easily with a simple twist, ranging from 1 to 9 for slices and 6 to 9 for julienne cuts. It's designed to fold up for easy storage and can slice directly into a bowl or plate, which is super convenient. With a 4.5-star rating from over 37,600 reviews, it's clear this tool is a favorite among home chefs. However, a few users found the food pusher a bit small, making it tricky for larger vegetables. Here's the thing. It's still functional for most tasks, and if you're mostly slicing standard-sized items, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you like to have multiple slicing options available. Skip this if you often deal with larger vegetables that require more handling. In terms of value, this one is solid for the functionality it offers. To wrap it up, we've seen the versatility of the Müller Pro series, the simplicity of the OXO good grips, the safety features of the Submachine, the multifunctionality of the Fullstar, and the adjustable options of the Müller Austria. Each has its strengths depending on what you're looking for. Whether you want something compact, safe, or multifunctional, there's definitely a slicer here for you. Happy slicing!